Hello, welcome to tea time. Right, we're going to change the camera. There we go, that's mildly better. I will be eating bourbon biscuits, and this is the lens in question today. Here's a Canon. Note the silica gel in both ends. I've had this thing completely taken to pieces and put back together again. Literally like for the iris and that kind of crap. But the bastard keeps steaming up again, and I don't know what's wrong with it. Paper towel. Relatively easy to dismantle. There's the missing grub screw there. Hang on a minute. But now missing grub screw. And that undoes. These are that. There's glass. There's happy, joy. That one, not so much. Well, it's not like it's fungus or anything. Something with a little bit more accuracy. Stuffing, been getting all tangled up in this shit. If I remember how to do this, I'm sure it wasn't that complicated. Any other thing to do? I should do the trick. Maybe I actually did it up tight, who knows? Not that tight. Was that it? Oh yeah, right. That's that bit. So yeah, I literally had every part of this out, cleaned with petrol, dried, put back together again. Hopefully we're at the point we'd like to look at. Yep. And it's this surface, this one, which keeps steaming up for no apparent reason. Okay, so we're nice and clear again. It's not like a cheap lens or anything I bought for parts or spares or repairs. It was actually sold as a good lens. But the time it took me from buying it, receiving it, and then actually getting around to looking at it, it was too late to kind of go, oh, there's something wrong with this. But then, I mean, I quite like the lens, it's just it's almost impossible to use because every time you go to grab the thing, bastard fill up with water. That doesn't feel right. I've done something wrong there, maybe. Okay. Oh yeah, I've put that in backwards, haven't I? Didn't rehearse. Well, yeah, if anyone's got any bright ideas as to why this thing keeps steaming up, correct way around. Okay, that's it now. All the way down. The notch there, tab there, stuff them together. Right enough. Front bit back on. Imaginary grub screw, boom. Stick the adapter back on. Yeah, I could have done a better job of drying it off, but whatever. So yeah, there it is on. What fucking good it does, I'll put the silica gel back in. There you go. Right, back to the biscuits. Oh no, I still got it. Well, thanks for watching, have a nice day. Like I say, if you've got any ideas why that lens is being such a turd, do let me know.